Ashley from Vegan Kitchen. Welcome to our channel. Today we are making vegan Kapisi Moa. Here is what you will need. Into our preheated pan, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We will then add our onions and our minced garlic. Sauté on medium-high heat for 3 minutes or until translucent. Into the pan, I am adding half of our cabbage. I typically like to add half just to saute it down before I add the rest. After 3 minutes of sauteing the cabbage, add in your carrots. Saute that for another 4 minutes. By now, I have already added the other half of the cabbage. Saute this for 3 minutes. I'm now adding a half cup of nutritional yeast. And after giving that a good mix, we are going to add the rest of our seasoning in this recipe, which is 2 tablespoons of granulated onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 1/4 cup of mushroom seasoning. Saute and mix well for another 4 minutes. By now, the oil and most of the natural juices from the vegetables should be about dry. So add in your tomato to make it a little more juicy. And also to avoid any soggy tomatoes, I like to keep it towards the end of the recipe. After 2 minutes of mixing in our tomatoes really well, you want to add in a half cup of water. And after 1 minute of sauteing our tomatoes with the rest of the veggies, I will throw in our veggie chicken. Now, I have put the veggie chicken in the air fryer for 10 minutes on 400 degrees. Saute this for another 3 minutes before we turn off the stove. Once I turn off the stove, I add in my cilantro and 1 can of coconut milk, or the equivalent if you're using the carton. We typically enjoy this recipe with manioke, talo, or kumala, or in English, cassava, taro, or sweet potato. Today we didn't have that, so we just improvised and used rice, but it was still tasty. If you like your veggies cooked well done, then feel free to keep the stove on for a little longer. I, on the other hand, prefer to have my vegetables half cooked, and it just tastes better and has a really good crunch with it.
It's perfect. That is good. I need some more.
Thank you for joining us right here on Poly Vegan Kitchen. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And no matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you on our table.